Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get freckles on your Bitmoji. So let's go to profile to edit the Bitmoji. Okay, let's go to the editing page. Okay, here on the bottom scroll down and look for cheek lines. Okay, here scroll and you will see freckles. Just select it and save. Okay, wait for it. Okay, as you can see we got the freckles. Okay, let me show you with sticker. Okay, as you can see we got the freckles. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get freckles for your Bitmoji. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.